Yeah, okay, welcome to the continuation of our basic introduction. We said people should read up programming data types. I hope you've done that. If you've not done that, please just go to Google, type it, read like 3 pages, and see what they have to say about that. So, today we're looking at data analysis. See, Wikipedia says data analysis is a process of inspecting, cleansing, transforming, and modeling data with the goal of discovering useful information, informing conclusions, and supporting decision making. Wikipedia has said it all, but I'll just use a physical example for you as regards transforming, modeling data, then informing conclusion, supporting decision making. I'll use a supermarket for instance. When you walk into a supermarket, you can see everything they sell, yes, but even if you are given an Excel sheet that has the list of every single thing in the store, you can't make sense out of it. You actually have to analyze the data to make sense out of it. Probably do a summary of different types of products, how they are sold, the rate at which they are sold compared to the others, what is left, what is sold out, and so on. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. Data analysis process follows a sequence consisting of 5 phases. You have planning to state the objective, then develop concise strategies, steps that will serve as a guide throughout the phases. Please keep in mind that every planning is based on the objective or type of analysis. For instance, if acquiring a phone is my objective, before the phone is purchased, I'll first confirm that I have a budget for it, which can be assessed, knowing where and how it will be assessed. Then state the type of phone that best matches my budget and expected specification in terms of camera, battery, RAM and ROM, that is the storage size and so on. Know where I can get it from and how to get it. Would it be going to the store or ordering and expecting a delivery? This is me analyzing the process of achieving my objective, after which I'll proceed to achieving it. Same applies to planning for a data analysis project. I'll state how to access the data to be used, then I'll state the mode of data preparation, tool to be used for the analysis, then how I will be reporting the result. Then I'm prepared to proceed with my analysis. Data access. This means locating where and how they are stored and acquiring the files needed. Note that data can be stored in different ways, which determines how it can be acquired. Could be on paper or system as text, Excel, Word, Access, MySQL DB, Google Sheets, and many more. If my objective is to see the total sales for the month of May 2020 for all types of drinks in a mall, I'll ask for the documented inventory. I'll pray they do not do paper documentation, because that would mean me requesting the data being entered into the system, which would take more time and may possibly be prone to error. If it's in a database, then that's a step ahead. Preparing data. This means cleaning up the data, verifying its integrity and accuracy so as to avoid producing incorrect results. Please take note of that. This is the foundation of one's analysis. You know how they say if the foundation of your house is not good, it will collapse? This is it. It can make or mar the entire process. Remember how Obi, Ifeoma and Ifeanyi handled their manual entries of drinks using drink, drinks, drinks with full stop and so on. Such field has to be cleaned up, ensuring that everything appears as drinks, DRINKS, before the analysis. Considering that the report is for the month of May 2020, we also have to confirm that the data we have is for May 2020 and not another month. Then there is unique identifier. You see, it uses the word unique. I'll say it's a string of numbers or alphabet mixed with numbers that refers or is associated to a single entity on the system. A vivid example is a BVN, bank verification number, or a social security number. If this data is from the database and it displays duplicate or multiple values of a particular ID that is on the unique identifier field, then there's a problem of duplicate or multiple entry, which has to be solved. I think I may make a video on data preparation and ways to prevent messy data entries or storage, because there are a lot of things linked to it. Data analysis. This involves using a tool, Excel, Access, SQL, Power BI, Python, and so on, to achieve the final objective, transforming raw data to useful information. This is self-explanatory. I will pick any tool of my choice to do the analysis, except the person requesting or the company requesting needs me to use a specific tool. In my opinion, as long as you have good knowledge on Excel or any tool like it, this should not be a problem, because it will be easy to adapt to a new tool. The major thing is knowing what you want to do. That is the steps for your analysis. You can easily learn the syntax, patterns, or ways of the required tool and how to use it to carry out your step. It will only take more time. Reporting results. Report is often viewed by a variety of audience. Hence, the report should be dependent on your intended purpose and potential audience. I'll say it's best to ask your intended audience what they want to see and how they want to see it. Could be figures alone or charts and so on, so that all your efforts don't look like a waste of time. Personally, that's what I'll do. I only do what I feel is best when the client does not know what they want, or if the client requests that I just come up with something. This happens with most of my old clients. Please be careful to try your best to deliver something good so you do not end up tarnishing your image. You can seek other analysts' opinion or ask Google, our friend. For our task, Google data analysis process and look at 3 or 4 people's perspective. Trust me, you always learn something new. You can be specific by saying computer or programming data analysis process. This is because there are different types of analysis. The engineers, zoologists, lab scientists, and many more also have analysis process for their data. Please, in preparation for the next session, you would need to have a basic knowledge of Excel and also install Telegram. The reason for Telegram is the video length limitation on WhatsApp. Please use your WhatsApp number to install the Telegram, as we will be adding people up to the Telegram group with the WhatsApp number provided. We will send PDF files and 1 or 2 links for Excel tutorial to the WhatsApp group. We will also upload Excel videos on the Telegram group by 9 p.m. tomorrow, with the belief that everyone would have installed Telegram with their WhatsApp number before 9 p.m. tomorrow, 18th of June 2020. You can also surf the net for links on Excel tutorials. I know data is not easy to come by, so I'll suggest you do a nice plan of any network that works in your locality to avail you enough data to surf the net, read online, and download videos. Although this will mean sacrificing your night. For instance, Glo has a package of 100 naira for 1 gig, valid from 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. and it can be subscribed multiple times. I know someone who has subscribed 5 times in a row for one night. You will be notified if there is any upload on Telegram. So sorry for any inconvenience this may cause you, and thanks for being a part of the family. It is a wrap for this video. Till the next one, do have a lovely time.